welcome you all in the class of Simplifying Mathematics. Today we are going to start with traveling salesman problems in assignment problems. So now traveling salesman problem is a special type of assignment problems in which a particular salesman has to travel between a different number of cities. So what you are given? So you are given the distance of traveling between the two cities, the time of traveling between the two cities, or the cost of traveling between the two cities. So what you have to find? You have to find the optimum route by which the salesman should travel between all these cities so that the total time, the total cost, or the total distance should be minimized. So that is what a traveling salesman problem is. Traveling salesman problem is a special type of assignment problem in which a particular salesman has to travel between different cities in the most optimal way so as to save time, cost, or distance. So now consider a salesman which has to travel between different cities. So we'll take 4 cities. So that is what A, B, C and D. So salesman has to travel between these cities. Now there is a condition that a salesman cannot travel to the same city. So this means what? A to A, B to B, C to C and D to D. This is not possible. So there is a restriction given on it that he cannot travel from A to A, from B to B, from C to C and from D to D. What else is given? So if the salesman travel from these cities to any of these cities, so what is given? The time taken to travel between the two cities. What else? The cost may be given, or the distance between the different cities. So this is given to you. So what you have to find? You have to find the most optimal path a salesman should travel between these all cities so that the total time, the total cost, or the total distance should be minimized. So what you have to find in traveling salesman problem? You have to find the route or path which is shortest with respect to the distance, cost, or time. So with certain set of conditions. So what are those conditions? The first condition is the salesman should start from the home city. He should always start from the home city, and this first city, this is called the home city. The second condition is what? He should visit each city only once. He should visit all the cities with the condition that all the cities should be visited only once. He cannot repeat the same city. Now the third condition is what? He should return to his home city. So based on these conditions, you have to find the path by which the salesman should travel between these all cities so as to minimize the time, distance, or cost. So for example, now he should start from the home city means what? This is the home city, and the next condition is what? He should return to his home city. तो जहाँ से शुरू किया और वहीं पे उसने कहाँ पे वापस आना है with the condition that all cities should be visited only once. So for example, he can go from B, then C, then D, then A. So this can be one path, or he can go to C, D, B, or A. So this can be another path, or even he can go to D, B, C, or A. So any type of path he can follow, but start from the home city, return to the home city with the condition that all cities should be visited only once. तो अगर आपका after finding the assignment, if your path comes out to be like this, A, B, C, A, so this is not the optimal path. No doubt he has started from the home city and he has returned to his home city, but he has not visited this city D, but there is a condition that he should visit each city. Now next is methodology of finding optimal solution in traveling salesman problem. So methodology means ki what is the step-by-step procedure of achieving the final optimal path. So the very first step is you have to find the optimal solution by Hungarian method. Ki apply the Hungarian method on the given traveling salesman problem, and when you get one assignment in every row and in every column, so that is what called, so that is called an optimal solution. So after finding the optimal solution, go to step number 2. So what is step number 2? You have to check whether this optimal solution satisfies the condition of traveling salesman problem. So what are the conditions? The first condition is the salesman should start from his home city. Second, he should visit all the cities once, and third is he should return back to his home city. So if all those three conditions are satisfied with this optimal solution, So then this optimal solution of step 1, so this will be the optimal path which is to be followed by the salesman. So if the conditions are not satisfied, that is you are not getting the optimal path, that is either any of these conditions that is not satisfied, so then you should go to step 3. Now what is there in step 3? So solution to the problem can be obtained by assigning the next minimum element in the final matrix of step 1. Okay, you have to take the final matrix of this step 1. So here you have to take the next minimum element after 0. So that can be 1, 2, 3, any value. So you have to put an assignment on that minimum element and then you have to move towards the optimal solution. Ki by assigning that minimum element, are you getting the required path? Are you getting the required path which satisfies these conditions? If that is okay, if you are getting the path by assigning the next minimum element, then that will be your optimal path. If you are not getting that optimal path by assigning to this minimum element, then you have to move towards the next minimum element. So you should keep on moving till you get the optimal path. Now if the minimum element occurs at more than one place, means what? If the minimum element is 1 in this step, so it is occurring at 1, 2 places, 3 places or 4 places. So then you have to consider that place one by one. So first of all, putting an assignment at one place, then putting an assignment on second place and third place and so on. So till you get an optimal solution.